Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we're calling the best wire vase, the 47th in main glass decorative vase, 10.5 inches tall, wrapped in rustic chicken wire. If you're someone who loves mixing modern elegance with farmhouse charm, this vase is going to be your new go-to decor piece. Let's start with the design. This vase stands at 10.5 inches tall with a 3.5-inch diameter, giving it a slim, elegant profile that works great on shelves, tabletops, or mantels. It's made from clear glass, which adds a sleek, minimalistic touch, and the outer wire wrap brings in a rustic, handmade feel. That wire isn't just for show. It gives texture and visual interest, turning an otherwise simple glass vase into a statement piece. Now, if you're into design styles like shabby chic, boho, farmhouse, or global-inspired interiors, this vase integrates beautifully with all of them. Imagine pairing it with dried flowers like pampas grass, or even fresh flowers for a brighter look. It works as a standalone accent or as part of a grouped arrangement. Think multiple heights or styles placed together for that curated feel. Let's talk quality. Even though the vase looks delicate, it's surprisingly solid. The glass is substantial, not flimsy, and the wire wrap actually gives it a bit of extra protection. If you're like me and sometimes knock things over while dusting or rearranging furniture, you'll appreciate that this vase doesn't feel fragile or flimsy in your hands. Let's not forget versatility. This vase isn't just for flowers. You can pop in some LED fairy lights and turn it into a soft, glowing centerpiece. Or, fill it with seasonal items like acorns in the fall or ornaments during the holidays. The transparent glass and chicken wire combo make it a perfect vessel for your creativity. In terms of size options, this product line has several different heights. While we're featuring the 10.5-inch tall version today, you can also find 6.5, 7 inches, 8, 11, and even 13 inches models depending on your space and needs. The 10.5 option, though, is a nice middle ground, tall enough to make a visual impact, but not too bulky for a coffee table or bookshelf. And for those wondering about placement, it looks stunning in bedrooms, living rooms, entryways, and even home offices. Basically, anywhere you want to add a touch of style without overdoing it. You're not just buying a container. You're buying a piece of design that speaks to your personality. So, final thoughts, the 47th in main glass decorative vase is simple, stylish, and adaptable. Whether you're revamping your living space or just looking for that one unique accent to tie everything together, this wire-wrapped glass vase is a small investment with a big impact. It's tasteful, on trend, and made to fit beautifully into everyday life. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more honest takes on stylish finds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.